Everyone asks how I built this smart engineer desk setup and wired my house for local smart tech. You probably think that you need a 500-pound DeWalt kit to do this. You don't. Today, we are bench testing the exact budget toolkit you need to build server racks, route thick Ethernet cables through solid timber, concrete, and mount smart tech without stripping screws or stalling your drill. Before I trusted a budget drill for my smart home installs, I needed to know if the brushless motor actually had torque. For drilling into wood, we changed the drill to this drill icon. We changed the speed to 2. We ensure that we have put in the spade bit for wood, and let's get started drilling. I'm running a massive 10mm spade bit straight through solid timber, the exact setup you'd use to route thick Cat6 cables through your desk or wall studs. In gear 1, it doesn't stall, it just chews. It tore through this block in seconds. That is the raw torque you need for serious home lab cable management. The number one way developers destroy their server racks and PC motherboards is by over-torquing screws with a heavy drill. This 3.6-volt stick driver has a mechanical clutch that stops at exactly 6 Newton meter. It prevents you from stripping threads on your expensive hardware. Plus, the pivoting handle means it actually fits inside a small form factor PC case. Next, let's also try a very hard screw. Finally, let's try an impossible screw for this screwdriver. Next, let's try to unscrew all of these and see if the threads are clean. Finally, to perfectly align my dual monitors to complete my smart desk setup. This laser level was super useful. If you're mounting Go-away lights or dual monitors, do not trust your eyes. Let the laser do the math. The self-leveling pendulum on this unit takes 3 seconds to lock in, giving you the exact mathematical XY axis for a perfectly symmetrical desk setup. You don't need trade-grade tools to build an enterprise-grade smart home. Details of my toolkit are in the description below. Hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for my upcoming small form factor PC build. See you in the next one.